query that why Indian students are suiciding nowadays. So does anyone know that?
Yeah, we can very well know that we can have an example of various movies such as American Confused Desi, American Confused Desi Boy. In that movie also one of the girl has attempted suicide because of the political pressures that that the political interference and corruption lead them to settle the money as early as they can possible in within a time limit, but she could not be able to settle it, so she had done a suicide. So in this way the suicide cases are being increasing. So what is your opinion, Pranav?
I think parents' mentality is also responsible for it because suppose there is one student who have English and math subject and who have interest in English, but the parents forced him to improve in maths. So I think parents should support students to according to interest and choose their field according to interest.
Yes, due to this pressure of parents, many students could not be able to innovate themselves. They could not find the proper path or proper feeling, means proper knowledge they are having. They are having what the God's beauty they are having. They don't able to gather it or collect it.
Yes,
So,
I agree with you. Parents have to ask their students' opinion, so what they want to do in their future, in their career.
yes, actually,
Also, the parents are not giving the chance to their parents to improve their skills in a particular stream. They are giving so much burden on them. They have to do better from that stream. So they are feeling suffering from so much burden. What is your opinion for?
yeah, I agree with you because as according to the Google search, in India only there are 28 children who do suicide per day. So as you can see, there is 28 are per day. So it is very large number for ourselves, and it is very shameful thing for us that they are having suicide. So we should change in the we should have some change in the education system. So what sir, tell about
The biggest reason of student go to depression because their parents are forced to after 10 many parents are forced to their children to take admission in science field, but they are not interested in science field, but their parents wish the student get admission in science field. In after 1 or 2 years they took less marks as their expectation, and because of low marks they go to depression, and they overthinking about how to other people react on their mark, what is the how to their relatives react on their marks.
And their parents also comparing their children with their siblings and neighbors. They are keep saying that you are getting low marks in your academic, and why you are not doing great in your academic. So what is your opinion on that?
Everybody has a different quality and expertise, but due to some of the parents, when the children are only 3 years of age, the parents used to send them to many of the coaching classes, and by which after a long time having this busy schedule, the student become bookish, and he is not he is not able to be familiar with everyone. As we can have the example of Mumbai, Pune. There are also many of the people couldn't able to know, many of the people didn't know that who is their neighbor. So due to this pressure, it is very difficult for students for having proper education. So I think that there must be something change in education system. So our Indian government should innovate, should have some change in our education system. So what is your opinion?
I think you are telling about Indian education system. So in Indian education system, it is the type of system where students have to decide their future after 10, and at that time there is near about 15 to 16. They had no maturity to how to choose their career, in which field, in which college they have to take admission. So because of lack of maturity, they don't take right decision to taking right field.
And they are also having some parents pressure that don't go to this faculty, go to this faculty only, such as many of the students want to go for a computer for learning computer very effectively, and they have various knowledge of computer, but their parents used to push them to the science field, and afterwards their grades as they have not interest in grade, so as they are not interested in education of science, so they could not be able to manage it properly. And as we have the many examples in a CBSE school, the school time is so much that the students could not be able to play. You can take my example. So up to 10th, my school timing was from 8 to evening 5, with extra classes and so on in school only, because my school is a CBSE. So this is the major problem that the children could not be able to find what has been stolen in what has been them, what is their capability.
You can say that they didn't have a sense of the originality. So how? Okay, so firstly,
Yes, I agree with you. Parents are compare other children, your children, they don't have a time your children's quality, and your parents,
their parents.
their parents. No, I have no time see your children's quality, because
Yes, you are right. It is parents' responsibility also that what is his children actually doing in their field. Because of parents' pressure and lack of maturity, some students also follow their friends to take their same field. They want to stay with their friends. This is also the reason.
Yeah, due to this also many of the children got stuck into the addiction like drugs and alcohol with their bad friends. So there are many issues, and we can also know that many of the children used to become bookish. As I have told about the Pune Mumbai, their appearance is not so perfect as they have, and due to the lack of timing, the students could not be able to discover themselves. So many of the children are having a lack of self confidence. Then they are also having lack of maturity, because they don't go towards because they could not be able to have a knowledge of outside knowledge. They are only having the inside knowledge of book, and as per my opinion, only the knowledge of book is not sufficient for living a life. If you are doing this, then what is the difference between you and robot? So what do you want to say about it?
Right, that students don't have to concentrate on only books. They have to find their passion to grow in that particular stream. So, and parents should also give chance to their children, that they, if they don't want to go to the science stream, they have to give them chance to whatever they want to do in their future, and give them chance to select their future in that particular stream. What is your opinion?
Yeah, due to yeah, I know that, but most of the parents could not be able to do this because of the some of the foolish students they are having, and as you can take many examples that most of the parents are influenced by other parents who used to tell about their children's many more and very long, and actually their children their child is so not so effective, but they are taking it very effectively and having he is very good and that, so they used to appreciate this, and afterward the parent come to home and they used to scold to the children. They used to scold to the children because because they are influenced by their friend. So I think that this inflation has caused many of the damage to the students.
I agree with you. I think there are many students who don't want to study, who want to only study for only qualification. They want to follow their passion, but our society, our parents, and our education system force them to educate more, in which they have zero interest.
That's why in first point only I told that education system should be changed. And as per my knowledge, some of the changes have been occurred. Some of the changes have been occurred in 2020, and it may be implemented up to 2025, and it may have some effectivity, and we can and we also know about the many of the parents that they used to attach many of the tuitions with their children, and their innovativity cannot be their innovation speed is fully damaged due to this, and due to this many of the children could not be able to play games and having fun, and this is the major problem which we are facing nowadays, and this may be changed as per the latest education system.
Yes, I agree with you. Our education system, children go to school 6-year-old, but nowadays children go to school 3-year-old because they have a growth in your mind, but they have no growth in physical.
Yeah, I agree with you. As we can have many examples that Lata Mangeshkar, then MS Dhoni, that if their parents, as per my knowledge, Lata Mangeshkar parents are free, so they have given her the proper. They have given her proper. What do you want? You can choose that. But while in the case of MS Dhoni, his parents are not supportive to him. But also after too much struggle, he has been achieved this rank now. As we know, he is now captain of Indian cricket team. So we have to do some struggle with parents only, but has this in listening this is not good, but we have to do it for our future, because struggling is always there, and everyone have to struggle, and has been for having birth to a child only. For having birth to a child, the child has to struggle for it only. So we can conclude that struggling is very much important. What do you think?
Yes, you are right. As we are talking about educational system, but it is fully depend on government and politics. There are some leaders who are taking unexpected and unpredictable decisions according to their comfort, that are responsible for suicide of students.
Yes, I agree with you. Politicians are politics. They are benefit. They have no time to see the student, and like they have no time creating new plans and student
Lost
grow
it.
your life.
This is because we can have very example that many of the political influence also has been in college also the fees has been increased. The fees has been increased by lot of percentage, and in private college also because they do the corruption. They done the corruption with they because they do the corruption and provide the fund to the parties. Provide the fund to the parties, and this is the major problem. And as we know, there are many examples that as I remember one of the matter has been settled down. One of the matter has been settled down. In the last few many of the matters has been settled down in the last few years, as this is fully the corruption always damage everything, so we can have it as a life. So what do you think?
Yes, I agree with you, because the many colleges get into with the political leaders, and they are getting with the leadership. Say so we will get benefits of the colleges and get a student to the money for the votes. You are right. Many students want to take admission in their dream college, but because of some higher fees and lack of money and financial condition, they have to take loan from banks. So also this pressure is also responsible for their studies. And there are also government schemes of educational loans, but because of corrupted leaders, they corrupt the money, and that's why some students had not able to get benefit of that schemes.
Yeah, I agree with you. And due to this, many of the superstition has been increasing. Many of the superstition has been increasing that many of the children used to waste money by having it to the stone element that we called as God. But as per my knowledge, in many of the famous granthas also there is written that the worship of God is not for removing the stress. Worship of God is not a good thing. You have to struggle yourself, and if you are wasting the food material over there on the behalf of God, and this money is totally wasted, because it is also business, and it also this temple money also goes to the political party, and this is all rubbish. And we can also, and instead of this we can give that some of the food material to any of the poor person, so that he can have one day meal. As many of the persons in our society, they are not able to have a meal twice a day, so they can get their meal. So what do you want to please express your point?
Yes, you are right. There are many temples which are donated money, and this money directly go to
Politician leader.
In leaders' pocket. So this need to be changed. So this money should be